Hello everyone, it's Miss Cathy from the White County Public Library here with this month's Quick Cooking Tips sponsored by Floyd's Cash Saver. For all your food needs, be sure and visit Floyd's, conveniently located on Bachman Way in Sparta. This month's ingredients are pretty simple. I have a block of cream cheese, a can of crescent rolls, a bag of real crumbled bacon, and we're also going to be using some pepper. You can use black pepper, white pepper, whatever kind of pepper you got, even crushed red pepper flakes if you like it hot. The first step is we're going to open up our crescent rolls, take a quarter of the dough, and roll it out on a cutting board. Now this dough is sticky and messy, so make sure your hands are clean and ready. If you notice on the dough, there's that little seam where you normally would tear it to be a crescent roll. You need to take that seam and just pinch it close. Drew would want me to say pinch, pinch, pinch. And when you're finished, just run your finger down that seam to kind of seal it. Next, you're going to take a quarter of your cream cheese bar. This needs to be room temperature. It will spread so much easier if it's room temperature. And do not mess up and buy the spreadable. It is not the same. I don't know what's different. The people at the cream cheese factory could probably tell you, but I don't know. What you want to do is with your knife, just take that cream cheese and spread it all over that rolled out dough. You're not getting awards for being neat here. You're getting awards for coverage. You want the whole thing covered. Okay, so it should look about like that when you're done. Next, you're going to put your bacon on. Now this is one of these recipes that uses up all of the ingredients. So you should use a fourth of your crescent rolls, a fourth of your cream cheese, and a fourth of your bacon every time you do this. I make all four at one time because they're really good. Now when you got your bacon on, spread out like this, you want to add some pepper. Any kind of pepper you have, it doesn't matter. I have a black peppercorn grinder because that's who I am. And I'm just going to put some brown pepper all across the top of that. And again, pepper as much as you want. Red pepper, white pepper, whatever you have, doesn't matter. Now we're going to roll this. This is where it gets a little tricky. You got to just take your thumbs, get it going, and then you're just going to make a roll. The tighter the roll, the smaller the crescent, the looser the roll, the larger, not crescent, we're making pinwheels, whatever it is we're making. You can also roll it from side to side instead of the long way like I did if you want bigger pinwheels. Totally up to you. Now this roll, when you roll it this way, I cut it in half, cut that in half, and cut that in half. And that will give you 8 pretty much evenly sized pieces, depending on how good you are at doing half and half and half. All these are going to go on your baking sheet and go into your oven. If you're making this in a regular oven, you want to put it at 350 and cook them for about 11-12 minutes till they brown. I cook these in my air fryer toaster oven combination thing. Cut your baking time when you use those machines like that. Here's my first batch out, and they're hot. And I have a taster. Connie's going to come over here and let us know how they are. So here she comes. We'll see what the verdict is. They're hot, so be careful. Hot and messy. Does that mean it's good?
Oh, that's good.
Very good. See, and I didn't cook any of that. It all came, all I did was put it in the oven, so I couldn't mess it up too much. Exactly. Thank you for tasting them, Connie. Thank you so much for tuning in this week with our quick cooking tips from the White County Public Library and Floyd's Cash Saver. Come out and see us soon. Thanks.